This is the Dylan. It's 4,000 square foot to 4,079 square foot. Let's go inside, guys. So this is the entryway, and I love this entryway. I love this accent wall. So right by the entryway, there's the bedroom over here. And I think this accent color in this house is green. When you leave the bedroom, there's this drop-in spot, which is beautiful. And I love the curtains, guys. Sorry if it's too bright or too dark, but the chairs that they have here is this beautiful emerald green with some green on the wall, and it smells so good in here. And I love the rug because you don't have to worry about anybody messing it up. And look at this credenza, guys. Look at the accent wall. It's beautiful. I love coming to model homes because I can get myself inspired. So this is the entryway of which we entered. So let's go this way. So you get a coat closet. And I believe this is, yeah, this is the laundry room. And this theme in this house is all green, which I'm not a fan of. And there's a huge closet. I think it's okay. It's like a Jack and Jill closet. So the laundry room is right here, and it brings you to the bedroom there. But let's go here first. So here you get this door. I think it's the garage. Yep, it's this 3-car garage, but this is like your powder room. Is it a powder room? I don't know. Don't quote me on it. So this is the closet. It's a huge closet. And I believe this is the master. Love this bathroom. Look how huge that is. So I love coming to, again, model homes to get myself inspired for my own home and see how I can put things together. And it's odd because there is also an entrance and another entrance over here. And I just love the fact that they use like large pieces to decorate, and they put nothing above the bed, which is great. And this is what that looks like. So let's turn you around slowly and let's go back out. So that brings us straight to the kitchen. How beautiful is this, guys? I am in love. Yeah, that is really pretty. And I love the island. Oh, before we go there, this is there's like another wall right here, and they have like the dining room table, which is pretty small, but it sits 6 people. I wouldn't put a dining room table here, but whatever suits your boat you do. And I love the accent wall, like the decor that they have on here. So let's go to the living room, guys. Sorry, it was too bright. I had to dim my light. So right here, you have a chance to put your TV on the wall or make some fireplace and things like that. I love the fact that they made the curtain like one huge wall. Like instead of separating them, that's beautiful. And again, I'm rethinking colors. That accent green, the emerald green, the rich green is beautiful. And I love this, what is it called? Sectional But this table, I had a table like this which I sold on Facebook Marketplace. Mine was not that fancy. It was just, yeah, no, wasn't that fancy. And yeah, look at this. This is the money shot right there. This is just so pretty. I'm loving this, guys. What do you guys think about emerald green now after seeing these decors in green? Look at this countertop. Oh my God. Listen, I came here to show you guys and I'm over here drooling. So let's not drool and let's show you guys the house. I love me some big, like a big cabinet, and it's all cabinets, guys. White, all white, which pops. And I believe the backsplash is like gray, but we can come close. I love this beautiful, it's like minimal industrial kind of painted light. I love that, guys. Camera doesn't even do justice. It's so beautiful. And here you have your fridge, and on top of the fridge you have this little opening which they have some vase in there, which I love. And then on the table, look at all these wood pieces as cutting boards. Love that. Love this green piece. So yes, the backsplash is gray, and I love these. Listen, like, this is why I'm always changing my home, right? Because I love seeing decor. When I come to model homes and it inspires me, I change around my decor. So always do that. Shop your home, but come and get inspired. So here will be the pantry. It's a pretty decent pantry. It's not big as a walk-in pantry, and my pantry is yeah, way smaller than that. So let's not even complain. So you guys want to go upstairs or downstairs? Let's go, guys. Okay, don't freak out, but look. It's a huge finished basement. I love this. Listen, this house is too big. It's so big. It's about 4,000 square feet, remember? I think it's the same section over here. I will throw some throw blankets on there just for some coziness, but I love the pillows. But I would definitely bring some throw blankets in there just for some coziness. Love the greenery everywhere.
You were just standing there with the wind in your golden hair. Didn't know your name, but I could feel it with every heartbeat. Every time that our eyes would meet. Didn't know back then. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy, or is this for real? Never thought that you could fall for.
Guys, I hope you enjoy the house tour. Like I say, I do this to give myself some inspiration, and I thought I would take you guys there. Since I usually show you guys my home and decor in my home, I thought I would share these with you, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye, guys.